So, ang nangyayari po sa contraceptive pills, kung hindi po kumubra yung mekanismo na suppress sa pangingitlog, nangingitlog po ang babae, yung sperms naman nakalusot din, magdidikit po ang egg at semilla. That's called fertilization. Nagaganap po yun sa fallopian tube na isang babae. Fallopian tube, inilalagay po natin. Bago makarating sa matres, kung siya po ay tuluyang mabubuhay. Buhay na po siya, pero kung ang matres po ay hindi po ready, which is the bed of life, ready for it to be nourished, lulusot po siya sa regla. Ang tawag po noon ang abortifacient action po ng pills. Kaya po, may failure lahat. At ang failure po ng pills is new life. Buhay po. So, hindi po lahat, walang perfect contraceptive po. Pangalawa, sa IUD. Ang matres po ay para sa isang buhay, hindi para sa isang alambre. Ang matres po ay para sa bawat isa sa atin. Pag nakita ng itlog, the fertilized egg, meron na pala nag-occupy nun. Sasabihin niya, hindi pa ako pwede dito. So malulusot po siya, abortion po yun. Kaya nga po, may failure, nakikita niyo, may mga bato na lumalabas ng matres, dala-dala po ang IUD. There are failures. Third, condoms. Ang condoms po, meron pong natural na butas. Under the electron microscope, according to C.M. Rowland of the Naval Base in Washington, in early 90s, about 93. Kaano kalaki po ang butas? These are natural holes. Ibig sabihin po, wala na pong perfecto dito. Ang butas po ng condom is 0.5 to 70 microholes. 5 to 70 microholes. Ano po yung micra? 1 millionth of a meter. Kaano kalaki po ang HIV virus ng AIDS? 0.1 micra. Lusot-lusutan po. Kaano kalaki ulit? Ulitin ko po. Ang goma po ay may natural na butas. Isa 5 to 70 micra. Ang isang micra po is 1 million of a meter. Kaano kalaki po ang HIV virus na AIDS? 0.1. That's why in Thailand, which is condom country, 8 years ago, I had a speaker from Thailand, ang sabi niya, ang pag-increase po ng condom, siya pag-increase po ng AIDS. And every week, they have 100 new cases of AIDS every week. And prostitutes are 13-year-olds. Second, you have heard of cervical cancer. May mga bakuna po tayo dyan. And it has been known. The etiological cause is KAGO po, sexually transmitted disease. What is this disease? It is a human papilloma virus. KAGO po na hindi natin nakikita. Meron ka, pero di mo alam meron ka. Wart. Wart hindi sa mukha po, pero sa ating ari. Hindi po yan sakop ng kondom. Balat sa balat. Condom will not protect. If we tell everyone to use condoms, everybody use the pill. Because the aim of the pill is to have a safe and satisfying sex life. For everyone. No responsibility. No children. As long as you get satisfied. Where will our country be going? There's also a study by Cannon Bourne, which we have never taught in school. In the United States, because of the advent of the use of the pills, where young women do not have families. Instead, they want to be professionals, build a life. They postpone pregnancy. Those who took the pill for 4 years before a first full-term pregnancy, according to Cannon Bourne, 50% across the board had breast cancer. Is this what we call health?